Just to get you guys started with this pattern, if you've not crocheted before or if it's been a while, make a little slip knot that you can adjust so that your hook fits in there comfortably, not tight but not really loose either, so about like that. And then it's going to have you chain 9. That's going to be these first chains right there in the pattern. This little diagram is great for helping read the pattern if you don't know what all the terms mean below. So the little circles are just the different times you're going to use the chain stitch, which is just this. I'll show you. And you can hold your yarn however you want. There's many different ways. I just do what's comfortable for me. And just grab the yarn, go through once, and make another little loop. And I'll do that 9 times. I obviously cannot count and talk at the same time. So I have 9 little chains there. I hope you're able to see that. I was trying to watch under the camera, and anyway. So it just made a little chain like that. And then you're going to go back. You're going to do a double crochet into the 4th chain from the end here where your knot is. So go back and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the one you're going to go into. So a double crochet, you take and yarn over, and then you go through the chain, then you yarn over again, pull it through, that is your double crochet. I'll do it again. Okay, so in the pattern you have a chain stitch. After you do the double crochet, you have a chain stitch. So I'll do a chain, 1 little chain, and then you skip, anytime you chain, you skip a chain down here, and then you connect with the next one. So it's going to be a yarn over for the double crochet, then you go through the bottom chain, and pull through, yarn over again, pull through these 2, and then through again. Okay, then in the pattern there's not a chain space between these 2, so you'll just do another double crochet here on the edge, and it should be your last little chain, the very first chain that you did. So yarn over, down through, okay, so like that. You will notice that my finger over here, I kind of hold the ends so that I can hold it taut. It's the beauty of having little holes in your crocheting project. So once you get to the end here, that's the first row, down here it says to turn, so you'll turn it over like this, and then you'll do a set of 4 chains, or a chain of 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then comes chain 4. So we're up here at this little chain, and then you're going to, nope, we're going to go the other way. This way, chain 4, and then you'll double crochet into this space right here. So there's a blank space. So instead of going into the chain like we did in the first row, I'm just going to go right in this hole here. See that right there? I'm not going to go into the chain stitch. I'm going to go down here. I suppose you could do the other, but that is just how I'm going to do it. And oh, let me see. Let me start over so I can see that better. Just double crochet into that space. Okay. And then you chain 1, which skips this stitch. So then you go into this hole next with double crochet. So you're on this end here, you're going to do this double crochet. This is the one I just did. So then you're going to do a chain and then 2 double crochets here, which increases and helps your scarf become a triangle. So on this edge, it will increase every other time, every other row. This side does not. It just stays straight. So this side will be the one that increases and it will later decrease. So I need to do 1 chain and then 2 double crochets. There's no chain space between these 2 double crochets here. So there is your start, your first 2 rows. I'll have you flip it over so you can see it with the diagram. So we did this row here, and then we went this way. So it just kind of keeps going back and forth along here, and then every row is the same. You just add 1 increase. So I hope that helps, and happy crocheting.